For web designers, when they think of colors, they're most likely thinking in terms of hex codes, just like this one here. This representing the dark purple color above. Let's choose a green, and you'll see how the hex code changes to now a hex code that represents the green. In this bubble tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add in a color picker to your bubble app, which would allow your users to change the color or set a color of things in your database. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go back into my bubble app, and I have a blank page here, and I'm going to go into plugins, add plugin, and search for color. And there's a number of different color pickers available. I think I'm just going to go for probably this one by Zero Code, Air Color Picker. And then if I go back onto design and I'll search for the Air Color Picker, I'm going to add it to my page. And you can see it looks like a standard bit of UI that you'd expect to open up a color palette. And there's loads of different settings that you can customize on here, including presets. You might want to use option sets to have a list of preset colors. By clicking on it, I get a palette here that I can change and hit select. And now that holds the hex color value. Let me show you how we can take that out. So I'm going to add a text label in. And now if I refer to the color picker value and then click preview again, it's actually giving me an RGBA, red, green, blue alpha value. They've updated this plugin since I last used it. But look, I can change it and select, and now it changes to a hex code. Maybe by default it gives an RGBA. That's another way. If you're writing pure CSS, you can express in an RGB or an RGBA. The A standing for alpha, that's like the opacity value. It's from 0 to 1, so 0.5 is going to represent half opacity or 50% transparent, however you look at it. But let's put this into an example of just how easy it is to customize colors in your bubble app, or rather, let your users customize colors in your bubble app. So I've got a group here, and I want to set the background color, and I can make this dynamic. And so I could draw on the value in my database that I've set by saving the output of the color picker. But just for this illustration, I'm going to link it straight to the color picker. Go preview. Let's make it a red. Make it blue. There you go. That's how you do it. So if you're learning Bubble and you found this video useful, we would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Also, if learning Bubble is the thing, if you're really into it, then you should check out our website, planetnocode.com, because we've got Bubble tutorials covering a whole host of topics, including AI, databases, privacy rules, all of the essentials. planetnocode.com, become a member, and you can access hundreds of our tutorial videos right away. So that's it, planetnocode.com.